Hello everyone, welcome back to our English grammar lesson. Today we will learn how to compare adjectives. This lesson is very important. Let us begin. It means to look at differences. We compare two or more things. Adjectives help us compare. Positive adjectives is the basic form. For examples, tall, fast, big. Comparative adjectives compare two things. We often add er to the adjective. Examples include tall becomes taller, fast becomes faster, big becomes bigger. This building is taller than that one. Taller is a comparative adjective. Superlative adjectives compare three or more things. We often add est to the adjective. Examples include tall becomes tallest, fast becomes fastest, big becomes biggest. This is the tallest building in the city. Tallest is a superlative adjective. Short adjectives rules. Short adjectives usually have one syllable. We add er and est. For example, small, smaller, smallest. If an adjective ends in one vowel and one consonant, we double the last letter. For example, big becomes bigger, big becomes biggest. Long adjectives rules. Long adjectives usually have two or more syllables. We do not add er or est. We use more and most. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful. Beautiful becomes most beautiful. This dress is more beautiful than the other one. Irregular adjectives. Adjectives change completely. These are called irregular adjectives. Good becomes better and best. Bad becomes worse and worst. This is the best day of my life. Common mistakes are: do not say more taller. Do not say most fastest. Use only one form. Then choose the correct word. This book is dash, then that one. Big, bigger, biggest. The correct answer is bigger. Comparative adjectives compare two things. Superlative adjectives compare three or more things. Short adjectives use er and est. Long adjectives use more and most. Some adjectives are irregular. So this was our lesson on comparative and superlative adjectives. Please try the worksheet and quiz. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.